What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be transporting bank trucks, I think that's what you call it, and taking money from them. Let's go get the truck. Hey, sir. Hi. I'm here for the bank transport. Yep, it's in the back. All right, so, guys, what I'm going to do is go to my house and put the money there. I don't know why they want to transport it, but I'll just bring it back and see if I have to do more. All right, guys, we're here. I'm gonna take one bag and put it in my house. There we go. I put the money in my house. Let's go back and see if they need me to transport any more. Hey, sir, you're back. You have one more drop-off. Okay, I'm on it. Yes, guys, I can steal more money. I just have to drive in the direction I need to, so he'll think I'm going, but I'm not. Okay, turn around. Oh no, why is he outside? Quickly, get in the garage. Oh no, he's inside. I gotta go to the neighbor's house. If he catches me, I'll go to jail again. Okay, I dodged him. I gotta go now. I need to get a car. Yes, I escaped, but my house garage is open. I can't go back now. I gotta get out of here before the cops come. It's the cops! I gotta get out of here before they catch me! On the go-karts I go, I guess. Where are you? There you are. Get over here. He won't expect me to go here. I got a gun. Take that. Oh no, I gotta get out of here.